Welcome to Adventures in Pop-Ups. I am Rachel. This is Blake. This is where you come for tips and tricks, hacks and mods, campsite reviews. Today we have what? What do we got?
Well, we went to Harbor Freight and bought a sewing awl.
Why'd we do that?
Well, our awning bag ripped because when our awning was out, we didn't have it staked. The big storm came through, and right when the storm passed over, it woof, threw it over the camper. So bent a little aluminum rod. That was the easy fix, but the bag, the seam ripped. So yeah, we didn't fix it right away, so it got a little worse and a little worse.
Let me show you what we're talking about and see how it goes, whether or not it was it even worth it to do a $5.50 fix. So here's what it's supposed to look like. And this, there goes some more. This is what's been going on. It's just unraveling all the way down. This is hopefully our solution. Some people call it a speedy stitch. This one is from Harbor Freight. It was like $5.50, and it's called a quick stitch sewing awl. This is specifically made for sewing through thick things like canvas, leather, hopefully vinyl and rubber as well. We will see how it goes.
Okay, well, there you have it. The awning is fixed, it's stitched back up and put back up, and it was kind of a pain putting it back up, but we did it, and yeah, only $5.50 and a few hours of sweat equity. So we did check out professionally how that could get done, and it was going to be several weeks to a couple months before it could get done in 80 bucks. So between $70 and $150. So anyways, we did it.
We did it.
And now we're proud of ourselves.
Right. That's what it's all about. Hey, thanks for checking out our little video here. If you want to see some other videos, we have all kinds of content for you. Check us out, and happy camping.
Hope to see you out there.